Hi class, today I'm going to be reading you the book that is called Say Hello, and it's written by Jack and Michael Foreman. And right here there's a little blurb that maybe describes maybe what this book is about. It says one little word can make a big difference. And I noticed that there are some characters on this front page. We have a little boy who maybe isn't looking very happy, and we have a dog. Wonder what happens. Now remember, we're talking about kindness this week, so I'm going to be watching for things that somebody can do or say that it shows kindness. Left out. And here's this dog all by himself. All alone, and it looks like he's looking at this picture. No friend, no home. What's this? He's seeing people playing. Can I play too? It's great to make new friends like you. And I notice that they all look very happy in this picture. Look, left out, no fun. So here's a picture of the dog with all the children. And here's a picture of this little boy. Why am I the only one? Left out, no fun. See, they're still here playing with the dog. They look very happy, but he's over here by himself and he is not looking happy. Why am I the lonely one? Left out, no fun. I wouldn't do this to anyone. So he's feeling like he's left out. These kiddos are all over here playing, and nobody has noticed that he's over here all by himself. What's this? So here's the dog and the ball and the kids. Here's this little boy. Come and join the fun. Look, this doggy knows how it felt to be lonely. He's trying to help this little boy. No need to be the lonely one. When someone's feeling left out, low, it doesn't take too much to say, hello. So look, these kids finally noticed this little boy. This dog helped them notice that he was by themselves. And look, they said hello. They have their hands reached towards him. He looks very happy now. And then back here, it's all the different ways to say hello in lots of different languages. Aloha, shalom, namaste, ciao, hola, ave, hej, hoi, hi, hello, salutan, ni hao, jambo, salam, hello. There's lots of different ways to say hello in different languages. And the cool thing is that no matter what language you say hello in, it seems to have the same effect. I know that when I'm walking down the road and I see somebody who maybe is looking sad, if I say hello and smile at them, usually they perk up and they smile and they say hello back, and it helps them. So, it says one little word can make a big difference, and it did for this little doggy and for this little boy. That's being kind. I want you to watch for ways that you can be kind. We're going to be making kindness clouds this week, and so we're going to be writing some other words that will help people feel good about themselves and feel happy inside. Okay, have a good week.